Pit Boy Bruce, what are you going to be cooking up with this? What's this recipe going to be for us today?
So we're looking at doing some kind of a smashed potato. Okay. So we're going to take these potatoes, we're going to bake them, and we're going to smash them like you do like a smash burger.
Yep.
We're going to line the bottom of the pan with the potatoes. So we're going to saute some bacon, an onion. We're going to have some sauerkraut, and we're going to cover the whole top of it all with some cheddar cheese.
All right.
Let it bake, and then have it come out and enjoy.
All right, looking forward to it. All right, so tallow.
Smash it with...
Oh my God. Oh, you can't go wrong with this. There.
That's some SPG.
Okay. Where's your sous chef? You should have a sous chef over here. You know, what's going on? You know? Oh, yeah. So probably well deserved. All right.
Take the potatoes, and I don't cover them up all the way. I kind of just like make like a bowl, like this. Okay. So they're kind of still open in the top, so they can breathe, but some of the smoke can permeate into it. So we're gonna put these on the thing for about an hour, hour and a half.
All right.
Should be good.
And you mentioned, you know, a little smoke with the potatoes is fine, but you don't want overly smoky.
Well, you don't want to over smoke the potatoes, so it kind of gets harsh.
Yeah. All right.
Kind of like cheese. When you do smoked cheese, you know, right out the gate, it isn't really good. It's when they sit for a while.
Yep. Nope. I hear you. All right. Are you using some of this Wagyu beef towel?
That's good stuff.
Yeah, South Chicago. That's all right. The magic of editing.
That's it, folks, right there.
All right.
Best stuff out there.
Yes, it is.
All right.
Anything at the Pit Boys, get you some of this.
Absolutely. All right.
That's it.
All right.
Just put them right in
the pan.
Rough chop, that's it.
All right.
Any tallow in the pan, or?
Well, we're going to do the bacon. Okay. Kind of like you smash a burger, except this time we're going to do it with potatoes.
All right, so you got bacon, onion.
Yep.
What's on the potatoes? What do you do with those?
We got beef tallow on the potatoes. We got SPG on the potatoes. Like I said, we don't cover them up all the way. We let them breathe a little bit so that the steam can get in.
Yep, so just make a quick wrap pocket and a hole on top.
Yep.
All right, let's put them on here. We got fire.
Right.
Get in there.
You want to center it a little bit more?
Oh. All right, that's good.
There, right there.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Perfect.
All right.
Can't wait.
Good. There you go.
Cool.
All right. Okay.
Oh, that's looking good, sir. If you can smell that, folks, you know what the saying is.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Probably not.
Okay. Not really.
Turn sideways. All right.
I'm not that fat.
So the idea is to take the potato, smash it.
Yeah.
Take it, put it in the pan. I can smash it a little bit more. Skip that one.
Simple.
There you go.
That's the winner right there, I'll tell you right now.
Nope. A little too much smash.
Yeah.
Roll it right back together.
It's really easy.
Yeah.
I mean, there's not really much to this.
All right. All right.
You just layer the bottom of the pan with them, huh?
Hot.
Cold?
Hot potato.
Hot potato, hot potato.
Hot potato.
I'm just filling in these spots.
All right, let's go. Okay. There we go. There we go. That's awesome.
Pour the grease on top.
Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah. Sauerkraut.
And cheese.
Team effort.
Just keep on shredding.
Cover apart. I think next time we'll go with shredded cheese, huh?
Adds a lot more when you do it yourself. Eat or done.
I get it. I'll get it.
You're really too bright.
Hey.
All right. All right.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's good. Man.
Excuse my reach, sir. You just gonna cut and
yeah.
pull?
Yeah, I might as well just everybody serve it up.
Looks good. That's what it was. What's yours, Dave? That must be yours.
All right.
Bruce needs one. Jesse needs
I'm good. Here.
and Jake. You want us
Gives it a good,
Yeah.
good punch.
Thumbs
That
up.
bottom crust is the best.
There you go.
Yeah, that crispiness, that's perfect.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.